Our exhibition on slavery in New York really responded to historical discovery, which is really the best way you can think about an exhibition as a history museum. In the 1990s, as part of development of Lower Manhattan, some burial grounds were discovered. They were African burial grounds. And no one had really thought very much about slavery in the North, let alone slavery in New York. And of course, we think of ourselves as such a progressive city that it seemed impossible to many people that we could have had anything in common with the slaveholding Southerners. But in fact, the Dutch brought the first enslaved people to New York in the 17th century. And slavery grew under the British so that during the British colonial period, there were more enslaved people in New York than anywhere else in the American colonies except for Charleston, South Carolina. So extraordinary. If you had been walking around on the streets of New York in the 18th century, first part of the 18th century, you would have encountered one out of every 5 people you encountered would have been enslaved.